Good day, Ma'am Mylene R. Uwa. I'm Jeanette Giampong.
I am Maria Cristina Niasco.
I am Jenna Luby Galarido.
I am Shilami Aikroma
From BSES CRM 1A.
And we are the Group 5.
So today we tackled about the homemade experiment that can be seen at home.
We as a scientist for today's video, we get our sample in the 3 different corners of the house that can possible have a bacteria.
that can be used for our experiment.
So, stay tuned for our experimental journey. Arat na!
So first, we prepare our ingredients in making this experiment, which is the gelatin and also the Tupperwares that we will use as a sample containers. Second, we ready our equipment and start boiling a water. Then third, dissolve the gulaman in hot water. Then pour it in the boiling water. Mix it well until it starts to jelly.
Fourth, if the boiling of jelly is getting sticky, then get it out of the fire and put it in the containers we prepared and make it cool. So, as it is an experiment, we need to gather 3 bacteria examples, especially that we prepared 3 examples of jelly. So let's start collecting examples in the sink, then put it in the first container. Second is in stove, then put it in the second container.
And third is in the refrigerator. Then put it also in the last container. Then label it all and let it sit for many days to see the result. So, this is the 3 examples bacteria that we get in the 3 corner of the house. It is already 3 days after we get these examples, and this is what it looks like. This example also is taken after 11 days. As you can see, the jelly has more bacteria. So after that we conducted the experiment of seeing what is the bacteria looks like in the microscopes. Then we get small example of each 3 bacteria, then put it in the glass slide. Then we start seeing and documenting the looks of the 3 examples. First, look at the bacteria in stove. As you can see, it looks like a clouded moist. For us as our observer, it really looks like the color of the Jupiter. It's more lighter with a color of light brown. Second is the sink. As you can observe, it has darker shades than the stove. It looks like a roots for us. It looks like it's more dirtier in the sink than the stove. Third is the refrigerator. As you can also see, it looks like a crumbled foil or a sweet potato, especially the structure of it. It also has a color of silver with a shade of some yellow or golden. Those 3 example pictures in the looks of the 3 example bacteria we get in the 3 corners of the house. That looks amazing and mesmerizing to observe. For us as an observer, a future environmentalist, it is really a good knowledge for us to see these experiments under the microscope.